I'm at the trading card vending machine and it's out of order. Somebody put $1.85 in here. You know, let's select something. $1.85, oh my god. That's friggin' cool. I actually unplugged the machine and plugged it back in and it starts working again. Friggin' 10 cents left. And I get a dime. Well, I legit unplugged the machine and plugged it back in, which is friggin' awesome. And it's working again. So let's get some Pokemon cards since we're here. Just spit my dollar back out. Like, out of order, really? Oh, we got C dot. I don't know what other cards are in here, but I'll check it out later. I'm at Walmart in Teterboro. Let's see what I can win from the claw machine. Come on, let's try to get a 2-in-1. Oh yeah, 2-in-1, dog. 2-in-friggin-1 right there. And it gets stuck, of course. Now we're gonna have to drop it on the prize chute. Aw, man. Yep, got them. So it should not register it. Yep, it did not register, so let's try to get another 2. Aw, man. No, we'll just grab another win and just let's get out of here. We'll just go for a blue spiky ball. Got it. Got a blue spiky ball. So I got 3 prizes for $1, which is pretty cool. And it gets stuck, of course. At ShopRite in Passaic again. This thing still says out of order. Friggin' out of order my ass. I'm gonna buy something from here anyway. Going for some Pokemon cards, guys. Oh, which ones did I get this time? Nuzleaf. And what the hell else is there to get? Now I'm gonna go with A8. Yep, I got these pop-up puzzle cards. I'm literally buying crap from a friggin' out-of-order vending machine. Like, oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna go with the Olympic and Paralympic cards. Cool. I just tried this claw machine just a moment ago, and this claw machine is still broken. Well, I got an extra 75 cents. Look at this. This damn thing still says out of order. Well, apparently, when I was here the other day, I unplugged the machine and plugged it back in, and on here it said $1.85, so I was able to get this for free and this for free as well. The basketball cards and the pro football cards. Since I got 75 cents, you know what? Let's see what the heck else I can get. I have no clue what to get in here. I could either get the hockey cards, the baseball cards, or the pro football cards. You know what? I'm going to go with the baseball cards. Yep. I just bought a pack of hockey cards.